The Strawman argument. How constructing false arguments undermines rational debate. A strawman argument is a common fallacy in which a person misrepresents an opponent's position to make it easier to attack. This deceptive tactic distorts the actual argument, replacing it with a weakened, exaggerated, or completely different version. By refuting this oversimplified version, the perpetrator claims to have successfully countered the original argument, although the genuine issue remains unaddressed. Strawman arguments are prevalent in various forms of discourse, including political debates, media commentary, and everyday conversations. For instance, a politician advocating for environmental regulations might be misrepresented by opponents as wanting to shut down all industries, an exaggerated position that is easier to criticize than the actual nuanced proposal. This fallacy can be intentional, aiming to deceive the audience, or unintentional, stemming from a misunderstanding of the opponent's viewpoint. The implications of strawman arguments are significant. They hinder productive dialogue by focusing on peripheral issues instead of the core of the debate. This diversion creates a polarized atmosphere, where parties talk past each other rather than engaging in meaningful discussions. Consequently, the possibility of reaching a consensus or understanding diminishes, fostering division rather than resolution. Addressing strawman arguments requires vigilance and a commitment to intellectual honesty. Participants in a debate should strive to understand and accurately represent their opponent's positions. By doing so, they can engage with the actual points of contention, fostering a more constructive and enlightening discourse. This approach not only enhances the quality of the debate, but also promotes mutual respect and understanding. Only through genuine engagement with opposing views can we hope to achieve meaningful dialogue and progress.